So some of you guys have forgotten how to access StudySync, and that's what I'll be showing you how to do in this video. You can either access StudySync by going to your Google Drive, or you can also access it by going to Google Classroom. In either instance, you'll want to find this icon up here. We often call it the waffle icon. You'll click on this icon, and it's going to have a pop-up that shows you all of the apps that you have with Google. You're going to want to scroll down, and when you get to this point, you might have a notification that shows up saying that you need to click to show more apps or to launch more apps. And if that happens to you, click it. You'll scroll down to where you find the red McGraw-Hill icon. Once you see it, click on it. And if it doesn't automatically launch you into McGraw-Hill's website, you'll need to pick who you are as the user. And it's going to send you into McGraw-Hill's website. Now, my view of it is slightly different than what your view of it will be because I'm an educator. But for the most part, it's basically the same thing. So you'll want to find this StudySync icon over here. You'll click on it. And again, my view looks a little bit different than yours, but you'll still want to find this StudySync icon over here to click on it. And it will open up StudySync for you. It's going to say, welcome back, Erica Henry for me. Obviously for you, it's going to say, welcome back, whoever you are. And you will automatically see all of your assignments in there. And this is how you will access it for the remainder of the school year.